Today I have Xiaomi Redmi 9A and I want to show you how to take long screenshot on this device. To do that, open application with support. It can be Google Chrome settings, something would have more information than you have on the one side of screen, where we can scroll. Where we are on it, we press volume down and power key together at the same time as to make normal screenshot, but not with this strong as I. And after that, tap on scroll, and now it is scrolling and adding more information to our long screenshot. We must tap on our screen when we have all we need, or we can add all manually. After you add everything, press done, and after processing, your screenshot will be saved in your gallery when we choose save. And that's all. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.